Have you ever held onto a grudge so tightly that it felt like carrying a heavy weight? What if I told you that forgiveness could set you free in ways you never imagined? We are diving deep into one of the most debated questions. Is forgiveness more beneficial for others or for ourselves? Let's find out together. Forgiveness is often seen as an act of kindness towards someone who has wronged us, but is that all it really is? Or is there a hidden benefit that we often overlook? In this video, we're going to explore the psychological, emotional, and even physical effects of forgiveness to determine who truly gains the most from it. Get ready, because this discussion might just change the way you see forgiveness forever. To start, let's define forgiveness. It's not about excusing bad behavior or forgetting what happened. Instead, it's a conscious decision to let go of resentment and anger. But who actually benefits from this decision more? Us or the person? We forgive. Let's first consider the impact on ourselves. Studies show that holding on to grudges can lead to stress, anxiety, and even physical health problems like high blood pressure. On the other hand, forgiveness has been linked to lower stress levels, improved heart health, and overall emotional well-being. A study from Johns Hopkins University even found that forgiveness can reduce symptoms of depression and increase happiness. So, from a health perspective, forgiveness is a powerful tool for our own benefit. But what about the other person? When we forgive, do they benefit more than we do? In many cases, receiving forgiveness can help the other person find peace, relieve guilt, and even rebuild broken relationships. However, that only happens if they are aware of and value the forgiveness given to them. If they feel no remorse, then does our forgiveness even matter to them? Here's an interesting thought. Forgiveness doesn't always have to be about the other person at all. Sometimes it's about freeing ourselves from the emotional burden of resentment. Think about it. Who suffers more when we hold on to anger? The person we're mad at, or us? By choosing forgiveness, we take back control over our emotions and well-being. Now let's make this interactive. I want you to think of a time when you struggled to forgive someone. Did holding on to that resentment help you in any way? Or did it just make you feel worse? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. At the end of the day, forgiveness is a gift we give ourselves just as much as we give to others. While it may help rebuild relationships and bring peace to those we forgive, the greatest benefit is often found within us, through reduced stress, improved well-being, and emotional freedom. So, what do you think? Is forgiveness more beneficial for us or for others? Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thought-provoking content. See you in the next video.